Students, today we are going to start with the exercise number C of topic, that is subject and predicate. So this exercise is on page number 19. Okay, see page number 19. So here we have completed exercise A and exercise B as well. So now what is subject and predicate. So with that base we are going to solve the exercise, that is number C. So some sentences are there and we have to put a suitable predicate to that subject. So write suitable predicate for this subject. So we have to make a complete sentence along with subject as well as predicate. But here we are given only the subject part, and what we have to write? Yes, the predicate, means the remaining part of the sentence. So everybody know the sentence is divided into two parts, that is the name of a person, thing or animal, they form the subject of the sentence, and words tell something about the person, thing or animal, they form the predicate of the sentence. So here the words subject words are given. So we will do the exercise. See number 1. Just going to read and explain you. See here, number 1. The spider dash. You can see a dash in your book. The spider. So we have to write about the spider. Do you know what is spider? I think everybody know what is a spider. If you say it in Hindi, it is मकड़ी. जाला बनाती है ना, वो होती है, उसको बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में स्पाइडर, मकड़ी को. तो द स्पाइडर. So what is the work of the spider? Most probably we know the spider that spinning a web. मकड़ी क्या बनाती है? जाला. तो we can complete this sentence with the predicate was spinning a web. So read out the whole sentence. The spider was spinning a web. So in this way you have to write the answer, was spinning a web. The second one, Ravi and his mother. So Ravi is the name of a boy and his mother. So this is the subject part which is printed. So we have to write a predicate for this. So predicate can be anything, but what I have given it is went to the market. Ravi and his mother went to the market. Here we can say went to the school, went to the railway station, went to Pune, went to anything with this predicate can change. Went to also, if you don't want, you can give another predicate. But for you, I have preferred this went to market. But student, you have to write what I have given here in the textbook. Okay, the same answer should be in your book, because some children, what do? They do some mistakes while writing the sentences. So just prefer what are the answers given in this my book, that only you should write in your textbook. Other, I will tell you, if you want to solve, or other than this, that will be solved in your notebook. But in the textbook, what answer I have told you to write, the same you have to write. Remember this, huh? So we have done example number 2. Number 3, the telephone in my parents' room. So everybody know telephone. Before mobile, we used to use telephone. So it had a loud ring. Before the telephones had a loud ring, because it should be heard in the whole house. So it was ringing loudly. So telephone in my parents' room is ringing loudly. यानी बहुत जोर से टेलीफोन की रिंग बज रही है. ठीक है. So we have written this sentence with this predicate. So fourth one, Superman. Yes, you know Superman. The Superman, what does the Superman do? The one word is a subject, and with that subject we have to write the predicate. Rescued the boy from the fire. So Superman is a man who helps the needy people. So this Superman, what he has done, what he has helped the boy, he had taken out the boy from the fire. So rescued the boy from the fire. This should be a predicate for this subject. The next is fifth. The hungry lion in the jungle. So a hungry lion. Lion is an animal. So how is that lion? He is very hungry. And where do this lion live? Yes, lion is in the jungle. So this is the subject part. And predicate we have to put is praunch on the herd of deer. So a group of deer is called as herd. So praunch ने वो हर्ड पे शिकार करने के लिए उसके ऊपर उसने जंप किया. दैट इज द मीनिंग. द हंग्री लायन इन द जंगल प्रॉन्च ऑन द हर्ड ऑफ डियर्स. नेक्स्ट इज नंबर 6. द गर्ल इन दैट ब्लू ड्रेस. So here a girl is there and the dress color is blue. Her dress color is blue. So predicate we are going to write is looking very beautiful. So how she is looking? Yes, she is looking very beautiful. So here predicate is for the girl. So normally girl look very beautiful in dress. So this predicate is given. Ria and her friends what did they do? Are playing football. So Ria is the name of girl and her friends, her friend group, what are they doing? Are is used because Ria and her friend make a group. So you cannot put is. Ria and her friends are playing football. So this is the predicate. Number 8. My neighbor's dog is barking loudly. So neighbor यानी पड़ोसी होता है. My neighbor's dog everybody know? कुत्ता. My neighbor's dog is barking loudly. Barking यानी जब कुत्ता भौंकता है उसको हम बोलते हैं barking. My neighbor's dog is barking loudly. Next, number 9. A large number of students. Large number means many students. A large number of students are doing parade. What are the students doing? Yes, they are doing parade. Do you know the meaning of parade? See, parade is done, most probably we see the parade on 26th of January and 15th August. So, a military group you can see on the TV, they do a parade. In the same way, school cadets also do this parade while hosting our flag. Most probably we have seen their parade. So, a large number of students are doing parade. Next. The Ganga is the sacred river of India. So, name of a river is there and it is a sacred river of India. So, these are the predicates which we have written for the given subject. See, the sentence, you can change the predicate of your own. That does not matter. You can write, if you want the predicate answer different in your notebook, but not in the textbook. Textbook, I want this answer properly written in your textbook. The same answer should be in your textbook. And when you are writing this exercise in your notebook, just write the suitable predicate for the given subject. Subject will be the same, but if you know some other predicate rather than this, you can write it in your notebook. Okay? So students, complete this exercise. See properly in your textbook as well as notebook. So it will make your practice a bit good for you to understand how to write a subject along with the predicate in a proper way. Okay? Student, you have to complete exercise C. I am going to give you photo snap for this. So you can write it in your textbook and notebook. You should do as an assignment at home in your notebook of your own. The predicate should be of your own rather than this. Okay? So up till then you have to do your work properly. So in the next period we are going to continue with the exercise that is D. It is on page number 20. Next period we are going to continue with that exercise. Up till then, thank you students.